Good morning, students. Today I am going to start definite integrals. I shall start the basic things of definite integrals, that is modulus of a definite integral. If you have modulus of x, what is modulus of x? If x is modulus of x, if x is less than 0, then modulus of x is minus x, and if x is greater than 0, then modulus of x equals to x. So let us do sums relating modulus function, integration of modulus function. Sum number 1, integration of 1 to 4 modulus of x plus modulus of x minus 3 all over dx. There is two function, put x minus 3 equals to 0, that is x equals to 3. We have to break this modulus function in two intervals, that is 1 to 3 modulus of x plus modulus of x minus 3 all over dx plus 3 to 4 modulus of x plus modulus of x minus 3 all over dx. Two intervals. So in this interval, look here is 1 to 3. In this interval, this function, in this interval, suppose 1 to 3, there is suppose 2. This function is positive. This is positive. We have to remove the modulus 1 to 3, that is x dx. We can write x and x minus 3, 1 to 3. In this interval, suppose there is 2 minus 3, that is negative sign. Then modulus of this will be break minus bracket x minus 3, because modulus of x equals to minus x when x less than 0. That is, here x lie between 1 to 3 within this interval. In this interval, suppose 2 is there, so 2 minus 3 is negative. Therefore, remove the modulus, this will be negative sign. Dx plus 3 to 4. Suppose there is 3, there is 4. In this interval, suppose 3 to 4, there is 2. It is positive, that is x. 3 to 4, suppose there is 3.5. 3.5 minus 3 is positive. To remove this, modulus of this is plus all over dx. That is, if you remove the bracket, this will be minus 3. X cancel, that is minus 3 integration 1 to 3 dx plus 3 to 4 x plus x 2x minus 3 dx. Now direct simple integration minus 3, this is x, dx integration x, upper limit 3, lower limit 1, plus 2 into x square by 2 minus 3x. 2 cancel, that is upper limit 4, lower limit 3. Now put upper limit, lower limit. 3 minus 1 plus upper limit 4 square by 16 minus 3 4s are 12 minus lower limit 9 minus 9, that is 2, that is minus 6 plus 16 minus 4, that is answer is 16 minus 4. Here answer is 3 minus 2, there is, it is minus, this is minus, this will be positive, it is wrong. This will minus will be positive, that is plus, that is 3 is positive. 3 to the 6 plus 10, 6 plus 4 is 10 is the answer. here is minus x minus 3 minus x plus 3. This should be positive. That is 3 dx. That is 3. That is answer is 10. So here answer is here. Modulus of this function is evaluate after evaluate, total final answer is 10. Next, sum number 2. Integration minus 5 to 5 modulus of x plus 2 dx. Here x plus 2 equals to 0, that is x equals to minus 2. We break this into 2 parts, that is minus 5 to minus 2 modulus of x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 5 modulus of x plus 2 dx. Now minus 5 to minus 2. Minus 2 here is minus. In this interval suppose there is minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3 plus 2 negative sign, that it will remove the bracket, that will be minus x plus 2. Remove the modulus minus 5 to minus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 5. Here is 5, here is minus 2. With this interval suppose there is 0. Suppose so 0 plus 2 is positive, we remove the modulus, this will be positive. That is x plus 2 dx minus 2 to 5. That is minus x minus 2. Remove the bracket, this will be minus x minus 2. Now integration minus x square by 2 minus 2x minus 2 to minus 5 plus, this is x square by 2 plus 2x minus 2 to 5. Now we have to put upper limit, lower limit. First upper limit minus 4 by 2 minus plus 4 minus lower limit minus 25 by 2 plus 10. Upper limit 25 by 2 plus 10 minus 4 by 2 minus 4. Now this is 2, that is answer is 2 minus minus 25 plus 20, that is minus 5 by 2, that is plus 5 by 2 plus 25 by 2 plus 10. This is cancelled, that is minus 2, that is plus 2. So answer is, this is 20 by 10. 10, 14 plus 30 by 2 means 15. Answer is 29. Sum number 3. Minus 2 to 2 modulus of 2x plus 3 dx. Here 2x plus 3 equals to 0, that is x equals to minus 3 by 2. Your interval should be minus 2 to minus 3 by 2. You have to break 2 interval, that is minus 2 to minus 3 by 2 modulus of 2x plus 3 dx plus minus 3 by 2 to 2 modulus of 2x plus 3 dx. First of all, within this interval, minus 2 minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5. So within this interval, suppose minus 1.6 is there, minus 1.6 and 1.4 is there, suppose. But within this interval, suppose there is minus 1. So minus 2 plus 3, that is positive. So if you remove the bracket, minus 2 to minus 3 by 2, remove the modulus, this will be 2x plus 3. This will be positive. Minus 2 to this will be positive. Minus 2 to 3, minus 2 minus 2 It is wrong. Minus 1.5, there is minus 2. Minus 2 to minus 1.5. Upper limit, minus 1.5. This is, suppose, minus 1.7. Minus 2, 1.7. So, minus 1.7. This is negative. Minus 3.7. That is minus 3. This is negative. This will be negative sign. Minus 1.5 to minus 2 with this interval, suppose minus 1.7, 2 into minus 1.7, minus 3.4 plus 3, that is negative sum is coming. This will be negative, you remove the bracket. Plus minus 3 by 2, here is minus 1.5 lower limit. It is 2. And it is minus 1, but it's putting this and there, suppose 0. This is positive, remove the bracket, 2x plus 3. Remove the modulus, 2x plus 3x. Now do simple integration, minus 2 into x square by 2 minus 3x. Minus 2 minus 1.5, upper limit, lower limit. Plus, you can write 3 by 2 plus 2 into x square by 2 plus 3x. The integration finished. That is upper limit to lower limit minus 3 by 2. Now put the value, this and this cancel. That is minus upper limit, that is 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4, minus sign. Minus plus, that is 9 by 2 upper limit, then minus lower limit minus 4 plus 6 plus upper limit is 2, that is 4 plus 6 minus lower limit 9 by 4 plus minus 9 by 2. So if you do subtraction, 4 is LCM, minus 9 plus 18, that is 9 by 4. Answer is 9 by 4 minus 2. This is plus 6 are put 10 minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2, that is 4, 9 minus 18, that is minus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2 minus plus 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So addition this plus this, that is 9 by 2 plus 8. 9 by 2 plus 8, 25 by 2 is the final answer. Next sum number 4. Integration minus 1 to 2 modulus of x cube minus x. Here we can break it, x cube minus x equal to 0, that is x square minus 1 equal to 0, that is x plus 1, x minus 1. There is three intervals, x equals to 0, 1, minus 1. We have to break in three interval, minus 1 to 0, x cube minus x, minus 1 to 0, x cube minus x modulus dx, then 0 to 1 modulus x cube minus x dx plus 1 to 2 x cube minus x. Now minus 1, upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus 1. Within this interval, suppose that is half, minus half. So minus half means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is 4 is LCM, 1 minus, that is negative sign. If you remove the modulus minus 1 to 0, this is minus x square minus x dx. Minus x cube, sorry, this is x cube minus x. Here is x cube minus x dx. So 0 to minus 1, then minus half. Minus 1 and whole, minus half whole cube, minus 1 by 8 whole cube, minus plus half. Minus 1 by 8, it is x value minus half. Minus half and whole cube minus 8, that is plus half. That is positive. That will be positive sign. So it should be, if you remove the module, it will be positive. Plus 0 to 1. X value is 0 to 1. Suppose there is positive half. So this is positive. 1 by 8 minus half. This is also negative. This is negative. 1 by 8 minus half. Then if you remove the module, this will be minus x cube minus x plus, this is 1, this is 2. Within this there is suppose 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 27 by 8 minus 3 by 2. So 8 is LCM, 27 minus 12, that is positive. Therefore, if you remove the modular, this will be positive sign. 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. Now we change integration, that is x to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 minus 1 to 0 plus minus is outside, taking minus here. This is x to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2, that is 0 to 1 plus x to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2, 1 to 2. Now upper limit, this is 0 minus 1 to the power 4 being 1 by 4, this is also minus 1 by 2 minus upper limit is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, upper limit 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 0. Upper limit is 2 to the power 4 means 16 by 4 minus half minus lower limit 1 by 4 minus half. Now 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 4 is LCM, 1 minus 2, that is minus, positive, minus 1 minus, that is minus plus half, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus half, 1 by minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 4 is LCM, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 by, that is plus 1 by 4 minus, this is plus 1 by 4 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 4, minus plus, and this is minus plus, this is also plus, plus 4 minus half, that is 4 minus half, 7 by 2, this is 7 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 plus 7 by 2. 4 is the LCM, 3 plus 14, that is 17 by 4. 4 and 1 by 4 is your actual answer. So please look to the sums and have a note of the sums. And if you like my videos, please subscribe this. Okay, thank you.